Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you are new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you my detailed natural hair wash routine from Prepoo to using rice water and my Vanity Planet scalp massaging brush. So I go in with coconut oil, lemongrass oil, and peppermint oil. Prepoo is good because when you apply shampoo to your hair, it strips all the oil out. So Prepoo is a treatment that helps replenish that oil, and I like to do mine overnight before my wash day. So I'm gonna go ahead and now start sectioning my hair. I will section into 3 big ones because I have no room for entanglements. Okay, now once I get that section done, I'm gonna start applying my oil, and I will make sure I apply the even amount to each section, making sure I saturate my hair in oil. I'll just go ahead and apply my shower cap. Then go in with a hair wrap and my bonnet and get ready for bed. Protect my pillowcase from all the oils and just give my hair time to process overnight, and we will come back in the morning to wash. It is the next morning watch day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my shampoo. I will leave it right on the screen there, and I'll just apply a generous amount in my hair in all 3 sections. And I will go in with my Vanity Planet scalp massaging brush. This brush promotes hair growth. It uses battery, it's water resistant, so you can use it in a shower. I have been using this brush for at least 4 years now, and I haven't had any problem with it. I use it for all my wash day routine. Like, I cannot go without this brush. That's how good it is, and I really like it. And I'll just go ahead and apply more shampoo as needed. And this is why I like to pre-poo overnight, because I wash my hair every 2 weeks, and by then I have product buildup, and I need to go in there with shampoo to really wash it and get every buildup out, so when you pre-poo, at least you still have oil left in your hair and your hair is not super dry and from the shampoo. And I will go in with my conditioner and apply it to all 3 sections evenly. And I will go in with my wide tooth comb and just detangle my hair, because I find that it detangles better when it has water and conditioner in it. Once I'm done detangling, I will just pass my massaging brush in there again properly and just make sure I get through it, and I will repeat that for all 3 sections. After that, I pour some more conditioner in my hand, rub it in my hair, and cover my hair up with a shower cap for about 5 minutes. Come back and rinse it out. Okay, time for another treatment, and that's applying my rice water. I have it in a spray bottle because it's easier that way, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it into all three sections. That water is actually good for 2 wash. After I'm done, I'm gonna go put it in the back of the freezer and wait for, not freezer but Xbox, and wait for my next wash day. So once I get all the amount of rice water I need into my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and cover up my hair with my shower cap again, and let it sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it out. As I'm washing the rice water out, I can feel the difference in my hair. It feels nice and soft. And once I am done, I'll go ahead and apply my hair oil. I do that in the shower. I will apply it to all three sections, and when I'm done, I will cover my hair back up with the shower cap and go by my day and just let the oil do its thing underneath. That's why I make sure for my wash days I have nothing and nowhere to go, because I like the oil to just sit in there, cover up with plastic. So once I take the shower cap, or usually what I do for styling is just thread those three sections and let it be until my next styling and stuff like that. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I like to do a little length check. You know, it's only right. Bye.